looking at aesthetic viral TikTok makeup.
Got my candle.
Got my candle burning.
It's a vibe. It's the middle of the night.
I literally just got off work. I'm a sweaty mess.
I'm literally about to put on makeup and then literally go take a shower.
Hi, baby. Oh, my little angel. I'm gonna let Sammy run camera. Hi, Anastasia.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Let's do it. So we're gonna start with Ulta today because that's where I work right now. Guys, did you know that I literally just got a new job and it's at Lululemon? First product is this Dior Addict. Oh, that shine. Oh my God, the package. I don't even care. I love packaging. Let's not get into it. Let's not get into it because you're gonna think I'm weird.
Oh my God.
Look at how stunning this is. I got the shade Raspberry. I want to say a year or two ago, these went viral in Korea because Jisoo, which if you don't know, is a member of Blackpink, my favorite girl group. Blackpink in your area. And not me messing up my makeup. Not me messing up my makeup. I think she was like the ambassador for this product or like a sponsor or something. And so it went viral because of that. And that's when I started wanting this product. That's it.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, that looks cute. It's not very sticky. It's light. It feels like any other lip oil. I like it. I like the color as well. I will say that it smells kind of minty. Kind of like, you know when you get sick and they rub that vapor stuff on your chest? That's kind of like the slightest scent. The slightest scent. My mom used to love doing that to me. Do you want me to make you brownies before you leave me forever?
Are you trying to make me fall in love with you? Like, what do you want me to do?
Right now, I guess is a 7, but we have a lot of lip oils to do, so let's keep going. The Rare Beauty Blush. This is the Soft Pinch Blush. It's in the shade Virtue. So pretty. Definitely not as stunning as the like Dior lip oil, but like still very cute. And I love how mini it is. This is looking really light.
Is it just me or is this looking a little light?
Is this the right shade that I picked up? I'm a little concerned, I'm not gonna lie. Because it's a liquid blush, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It's so dirty. Please, I don't have the time to, I know it's dirty. It's gonna stay dirty. I know from watching TikTok that everyone says that you have to do like 1 dot at a time because it's like, I just almost threw up, sorry. That's looking light as hell. I'm gonna do that. We'll do that. We'll do 3 dots. I like how I said I'm just gonna do 1 dot and then I did 3. It just didn't look like it was gonna be enough. Do I like that? I don't have any blush on right now. You can kind of see some redness right here. That's just my skin. I don't know. I really feel like it just looks like this side. I can't really see a difference. Can you guys see a difference? I just don't notice anything. I like to apply my blush too on my nose sometimes. So I'll do like this little dot there. And then I guess I'll apply some more. It just looks so natural that like you can hardly see that. And then on my nose too. I like to apply blush right here on my nose. It makes my nose look bigger. I like that. I want you to look at my nose and think that's a honker. I could ride that. Okay, I'm gonna put more for the sake of the video because I feel like we need more. We need to see more. Let's put more. I have to say though, even though I can't really see it as much, it blends out very beautifully and I really, really like it. It just gives me the most natural, beautiful little glow. Oh my God, I'm so fucking obsessed. I'm gonna wear this literally every day. Another Ulta product, because we just did a Sephora product. Let's do another Ulta product. This is Sol de Janeiro. Everyone and their fucking mom is talking about this company and this product, and you wanna know the tea. I have been watching Tati for a very long time, and you know, I stopped watching her for a while. I'm back on my grind with Tati. I feel like she's recentered herself. Years ago, she would constantly talk about this Brazilian bum cream. And I remember going into Sephora and smelling it and thinking, oh my God, this smells so good, but like didn't get it because it was just too expensive. And so I just think it's so funny that like now suddenly everything they have is going like mega viral. So how does it look? This This isn't not great. Like, it smells beautiful, but I don't know if it's like a scent that I really like, but it's very, very nice. So this has notes of black amber, plum, and vanilla woods. Oh, and musk. I prefer citrus, orange, fruit scents, and so it's not bad. I just don't really understand why people are obsessed with it. Next thing we have is this Clinique Almost Honey.
Oh my god, I've been waiting to try this one.
I got the classic, the iconic, the viral shade Black Honey. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, wait.
Wait, did you see the way that
I love that. Oh my god. You know why I like it? Is because it feels like it's just my lip color. Oh, it's pretty.
Oh no, I see why it went viral. I should have bought this years ago.
Okay, I love that you can really build into it too, so you can really make it dark. I would give this a 9 out of 10. I would give this scent, I forgot to give it a rating. I would give this one like a 4, which is funny because it's 4.0. It's a 4 out of 10. It does smell good. It does smell good, but it's something, I don't know. There's something in there I don't like. This is a 10. Clinique Black Honey. Wow. Flabbergasted. So these e.l.f. lip oils are also very viral. They're supposed to be like dupes, I believe, to this Dior one as well. Somebody told me that they're also dupes to the House Labs ones, so let's try them on. You can kind of tell what e.l.f. was doing here. It's in the shade Rose Envy. Oh, so satisfying. I think that looks nice. I can't really tell. Let me look at my mirror.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, yes. Y'all, this is truly a dupe of the Dior lip oil, and let me tell you why. The formula feels identical. It even smells just like the Dior lip oil. That's, I don't know if that's okay. I think that's prettier. I'm not even kidding with you. I actually think I love this lip oil more than I like the Dior one.
That's crazy.
If you can't afford this, you should just buy this because I actually think it looks better. We are on to our very last product, you guys, and it actually is also a lip oil. It's the extremely viral Gisou lip oil. Why is there an instructor's manual for a lip oil? A little sus. We'll read that in a second. Wow, that's pretty. Literally stop. No, I didn't want to fucking like this. I needed to return something. This all costs so much fucking money. Why does that smell so good and look so good? Guys, I am not, like, I'm not being extra dramatic. I am dramatic. Like, just watch my channel. This is my level all the time. But I'm really, truly shook. I'm gagged. It feels like I had a literal 9-inch in my throat. That's how gagged I am right now.
No wonder people are obsessed with this.
Oh my god. This is an 11 out of 10. I actually am so shocked. I don't even like lip oils. It glides on beautifully. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but this is the best lip oil I have ever tried. What did they put in this thing? These are 100% worth it. Reading their little instruction manual, the fuck? Anyway, so it's an ultra nourishing multitasking lip treatment composed of an antioxidant-rich blend of mirsahali honey, natural actives, and our proprietary mirsahali bee garden oil blend for softer, smoother lips with a naturally healthy shine. I feel so pretty. First place. Second place, third place, fourth place. That's how insane is that. I'm so happy and fulfilled. Anyway, that was the video. Thank you so much for everyone who's followed me on Instagram. I have, I think, 2 followers on Instagram, and I'm very happy for those 2 followers. Thank you so much for following me. In addition to that, I want to say thank you to everyone who always likes my community posts and always comments on my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to me. Thank you for being here. I edit all the videos and I make all the edits. Everything you see in them, always me. It takes time to build that. I'm so sorry. I know it takes a long time for the content to come up, and I say it's gonna be up on Thursday and it's up Saturday. I'm sorry about that. I am trying to work on that. I'm trying to work on being better about that, but I promise you, I'm not like being lazy doing nothing. I really am spending like hours upon hours at my desk editing. I'm just not the kind of person that can have an idea for an edit and not do it. Like I can't just like half-ass a video. I can't. I have to like give it my all. I have to give it my creative passion to it. So please try to be understanding because it takes time for me to churn out content. And I just appreciate everyone who is, and thank you so much. I love you so much. Genuinely, thank you so much for the amount of subscribers that I currently have. And I will see you in the next video, whenever that may be. I'm just kidding. It'll be next week. I love you. Bye. It's been solid.